Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're hunting for hidden treasures, coins, or relics, having the right metal detector can make all the difference. In today's video, we're exploring the best metal detectors that offer accuracy, depth range, and user-friendly features, perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and seasoned treasure hunters alike. All product links are in the description below. Let's dive in and find the right detector to uncover what's waiting beneath the surface. Number 5. Dr. Otek Metal Detector. The Dr. Otek Metal Detector offers a dependable option for adults looking to explore outdoor areas in search of valuable items. Built from durable metal and finished in red, it runs on battery power and includes several helpful tools for treasure hunting. This model supports 5 operating modes, including a memory setting that helps you focus only on the type of metal you are trying to find. Accurate metal detection ensures less time spent searching and more time digging meaningful finds. Its large display screen measures 3 inches by 2.2 inches, providing clear visual feedback about the metal type, depth, and mode. The backlight function allows you to continue your search even in low light or after the sun goes down. Flexible LCD interface lets users easily switch between display options and customize settings based on different search conditions. This improves accuracy and reduces the chance of missing valuable items underground. With an adjustable shaft between 42.7 inches and 53.5 inches, the device is easy to handle for users of different sizes. Number 4. Sunpow Professional Metal Detector. The Sunpow Professional Metal Detector is designed for adults who want a high-performance and reliable tool for outdoor treasure hunting. It comes in a black finish and features a strong spiral structure made from metal and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Powered by batteries, this detector includes a quick lock system for fast setup and length adjustment. Robust build quality makes it suitable for rugged environments like forests and rocky trails where durability is essential. This model features an adjustable shaft ranging from 19 to 59 inches, which allows users of various heights to operate it comfortably. A large 2x backlit LCD screen enhances visibility during nighttime searches or dim lighting conditions. Clear target display helps you identify objects with precision and reduce the time spent digging incorrect spots. Number 3. Minelab Xtera Voyager Metal Detector. The Minelab Xtera Voyager Metal Detector is built for outdoor exploration across various environments. Designed in a camo green color, this battery-powered device is both practical and efficient for beginners and hobbyists. Made from aluminum and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, it is crafted to be durable yet lightweight. Compact waterproof design makes it perfect for beach trips and stream searches, giving you the freedom to search in wet conditions with confidence. This all-terrain detector allows users to switch between different search settings using 4 shortcut modes. Whether you are scanning for coins, jewelry, or gold, its target identification system makes it easier to understand what lies beneath the surface. Large backlit screen helps you read clearly in daylight or evening, and the audio alerts keep you informed as you move. Its pinpoint function increases accuracy, especially when you are closing in on a potential discovery. Number 2. GBNryg Professional Metal Detector. The GBNryg Professional Metal Detector is designed for those looking to start exploring outdoor environments in search of hidden treasures. It comes in a black and green combination and includes essential gear to help you get started with ease. Built from metal and plastic materials, this battery-powered tool is made for outdoor activities like camping and beach walks. Strong detection stability ensures you do not miss targets while scanning at faster speeds. This detector can locate items buried deep beneath the ground and supports accurate targeting. With multiple models like M55J and M55Z in different color options, the metal detector is suitable for both teens and adults. Its adjustable design helps users of different heights operate it comfortably. The unit is equipped with an IP68 rated search coil that is waterproof, making it ideal for shallow water searching. Number 1. Panky Metal Detector. The Panky Metal Detector is made for outdoor treasure hunts. offering a reliable and easy-to-use option for adults and beginners alike. It is available in a red and black design and is powered by batteries. The device uses an advanced second-generation digital signal processing chip to provide better accuracy and quicker response time than many other models. Higher detection accuracy helps reduce the number of missed targets and improves your chances of finding valuable items. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.